Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're tackling one of the most important topics in Korean grammar and particles. If you've ever felt confused about why Koreans attach little syllables to the ends of words, this video is going to clear everything up. Let's get into it. So what exactly are particles? In Korean, particles attach directly to nouns to show their role in a sentence. Think of them as tiny labels that tell you, is this word the subject, the object, a location? Unlike English, where word order does most of that work, Korean uses these particles to carry that meaning. Super important to know. Let's go through the key ones. First up,
은, 는,
the topic marker. This one sets up what you're talking about. As for me, as for this food, it highlights the topic of the sentence. Next,
이, 가,
the subject marker. This marks who or what is doing the action. Then we have
을, 를,
the object marker. This tells us what's receiving the action. I eat rice. Rice gets marked with
을,
moving on,
에,
meaning at or to, used for location or time. I'm going to Seoul. I'll see you at 3
에서,
is similar, but it's used for action locations where something happens. I study at the library.
의,
The possessive marker, like or of in English. My friend's bag
도,
simply means also or to. I also want some
와, 과,
means and or with. More formal, often used in writing.
하고,
Also means and or with. But this one's more casual, everyday spoken Korean.
으로, 로,
Means to or by means of. Direction, method, tool. This particle covers a lot of ground.
부터,
Means from, for time or place, from Monday, from Seoul. And finally,
까지,
means until or to, until Friday, all the way to Busan. Now, here's where it gets fun. I'm going to read each particle in a real Korean sentence. Don't worry about catching every word. Just listen for the particle at the end of each noun and pay attention to how it sounds and feels in natural Korean speech. Ready? Let's go.
저는 학생이에요. 고양이가 귀여워요. 커피를 마셔요. 학교에 가요. 카페에서 공부해요. 저도 좋아해요. 친구하고 같이 가요. 서울에서 부산까지.
And that's your intro to Korean particles. I know it seems like a lot at first, but once you start seeing these in real sentences, they'll click fast. Practice using just 2 or 3 today and build from there. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe. We've got a lot more Korean content coming your way. I'll see you in the next one.